Howdy folks, in the car on the way to Clywedog with my partner in crime.
Hello.
First time out this year for Debs in a boat, and for the last 3 weeks I've been going to Clywedog and the weather's been horrible, high winds, cold. Forecast today is light winds, sun to burn through this mist a little bit later, so it should be great conditions. So you're coming along to see how we get on. Right, we're out. Debs is just about getting ready. She is on a slow glass. I'm on a midge tip. Deb's got black booby in the point, Jalbach and a cruncher. I've got a tequila on the point and a black cruncher and a black Jalbach on the midge tip. Started by the KJs. There they are. Wow, this is a lot better than it was last time I was here. We had white horses all the way down the lake, so let's hope we catch some fish. First fish of the day. Ooh, he's lively. Just seen a fish top in the slick. Deb's changing lines. I thought I'm going to put the bug on a gulp to try it. I was watching Deb's changing line. Turned around, looked for the bug. Couldn't see it. Why? Is this fish? Oh. Nice fish. First fish of the day. He's just woken up. He's just woken up. Come on. No rhyme for reason. Black that side. Biscuit this side. Again. Quality rainbow, look at that, look at it, nice tail. And booty just in front of his mouth. Away he goes. Yay, nice one. Oh, I got two on. Oh, missed him. That's a bit of a lump. Right, that's it.
Yeah,
First day afloat. Enjoyed it?
really good, excellent. Learned a lot.
Best method?
Washing line.
I'm putting it on the spot.
Washing
What line were you on?
I don't know. I changed line a few
Okay.
times.
You started off pulling on a die three.
Yeah.
We went to die 3 sweep, die 3, then ended up on a 12-foot slow with a Dennis Jimenez booby on small-eyed black booby, swimmer booby. My best method by a country mile was midge tip, biscuit booby on the point, black holographic Jalbach in the middle, and a black Vicar, but with a green collar. So we had over nearly 30 fish, loads lost, loads of double ups,
Loads of.
a few snap offs in double ups, playing tug of war with them.
Yeah.
So great day. The weather's been nice.
Yeah, it's been splendid. Perfect conditions, isn't it?
Yeah, so come on in.
Yeah.
Let's go home.
We'll go home.
Bye.
Thanks, everybody.